Who da dey na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Hey, who da dey na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Who da dey na the bar?
What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up my canal. So I'm here again with another perfume unboxing. So yeah, I went to the do class and yeah, I decided to. It's my birthday month, you know. In 2 weeks from now, it's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be 29 years old. So I'm very, very grateful to have the opportunity to live this long, to see this day, to see this year, to have these wonderful experiences in life. And I'm super, super grateful because there are a lot of people who didn't have this opportunity, and know that I am better than them in any way. But I'm just so grateful that I have the chance, because this is a chance. I have the chance to still be here. And I prayed that God continue to guide and protect me and lead each and every step I make. Amen. Okay. So guys, so I'm here to do another. So yes, I pick up the perfume that I tell you guys that I was going to try. These are the two perfume that I have been trying now from the TeamFullest. This one, I still have a love and hate relationship with this one. I love the smell. It has a very, very unique smell, but you don't wear this one to every location, to every situation. There are certain occasion that you're going to wear this perfume, and sometimes it do have the smell where it make you smell like an old woman, honestly speaking. But I do love the smell. I do love it, but I just have this love and hate. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to pick this one, but I would love to have it, but I'm not sure. So I'm like, okay, I want it, but it's not like very, very important. So that's the reason why I haven't really picked it up. So I have been trying this. As you guys can see, I'm almost out of this one, and so I decided to pick this one. This is the FORD NOIR Extra. If I'm pronouncing the name incorrectly, please excuse me. So let me just turn the box, what I get in the Douglas. Okay, let's just remove this Douglas package. So first of all, this is the perfume. I decided to pick the 100 milliliter. It's a bit expensive, but I'm worth it. Okay, so this is what I got as a gift. And I also got this one. I already have this perfume, but it's always nice to have a mini one, because then if you can take it along if you're going somewhere. And I also got this mini perfume also. I've never really tried this one, so it's something small. I love when I go, oh my god, this is so, I love mini perfumes like this. Oh no, it's not the same. I love mini perfumes like this. It's so beautiful. I love to have this in my collections. They're really, really cute. So I got this one, and now this one is also a new perfume that I'm trying. I'm looking for like a really nice, fresh summer perfume, and I used to have the Dolce & Gabbana light blue, but I wanted to try the light blue intense, because it's more fresher, it's more nicer. So it's something I want to try for the summer. So that is how to just try this, how they sellotape this thing. Yeah, so I'm trying the Dolce & Gabbana light blue intense. So this is what I want to come and try, to see whether I will pick the normal one or I will pick the intense version. This is something I'm going to try. So now let's open this perfume. I'm super, super excited. Oh, this smells so beautiful. It's really, really nice. I don't know where I was going. I think I was going somewhere, and I was going for a meeting. Yeah, because I did a video where I told you guys I was going for a business meeting. And you guys know I don't have a car yet, so I'm still working on it. By the God's grace, I'm going to get my car very soon. And I'm still working on it. So I took the bus to the meeting, and I was sitting in the bus, and there was this old woman. She was like, "You smell expensive." And I was like, "What?" She was like, "You smell really good." She was like, "Your outfits, the way you smell, everything looks so beautiful. You smell really good." And I was like, okay. And she was not like super, super old, okay? But she was a little bit older woman. So this is what this one look like. The bottle is huge. The reason why I picked the 100 milliliter instead of the 50, because the 50 is like this. The bottle just looks so funny. It's small. The bottle looks so funny. It's also a less cheaper, but the bottle just looks so funny. It's like so small like this, and then you have this big gold button on top of it. And I was like, let me just sacrifice and get myself the 100. At least this will last me a very long time. And as you guys can see, the bottle is all the way, is full all the way up. It's all the way full, so you can actually use this for a very long time. It's only if you're not going to wash yourself with it, you can use it for a very long time. So this is what it looks like. It smells really, really beautiful. I have been using the testing and I really, really like it. When I wanted to go for a business meeting, I wear this one and it was really, really nice, and it looks really, really beautiful. And also I love the smell. It just gives you this bossy vibe, like boss lady. Also the same thing with the Coco Chanel, the one in the black bottle. Let me guys show you quickly. This one also, oh my god, when you have this one, it just gives you this bossy vibe. It just makes you look like, I can't really see how much I have in here anymore, but I really love this and it's so, so beautiful. But yeah, this is what we're talking about today. So this is the Tom Ford's. This is it. So I hope you all like this video. If you guys have tried this, I'm going to throw the box away because I don't really keep the boxes. Before I was like, okay, let me keep the boxes, but now I'm like, it's just I don't know. I don't like a lot of space in my room, a lot of things that I don't use. So if I don't have a use for something in the bedroom, I like that thing to be gone. I don't want to see it. I just don't like to have stuff that I don't use anymore. So guys, this is what this perfume is looking like. It smells so, so beautiful. It's really, really nice and I really love it. This perfume is versatile. That's the reason why I like it. A man can use it and a woman can use it as well. So it's not like, oh, if you buy it, your partner, definitely your partner can use this as well. So yeah, and sometimes I could also spray this on my son if we're going somewhere. I could like, okay, let him look fresh, smell good. I could spray it on him. And because the last time when we were going out, I also use this one, this sample that I got, I sprayed on him and he was like, he smelled really, he really liked it, but he wanted to have it. I was like, hell no, okay, till I buy something, then I will give you that one. So it's really, really nice. It smells really, really beautiful. I love it. And I just love the design. I just love the Tom Ford logo on the back, on the top also, and then you also have the T here, and then you have the F here, which is, and I also love the texture that it has on the side. It's very, very smooth and very, very beautiful. So yeah, TeamFullest, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. My perfume collection is really growing little by little, and I'm super, super excited. Thank you all so much. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.